Changing the language in the AliExpress app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to set your preferred language. Step 1. Open the AliExpress app. Launch the AliExpress app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account for a smoother experience. Step 2. Access the menu. Tap on the profile icon or the menu option, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. In the menu, look for the Settings option and tap on it. This section contains various customization options for your app experience. Step 4. Select Language. Within the Settings menu, find the Language option. Tap on it to view the list of available languages that you can choose from. Step 5. Choose your preferred language. Scroll through the list and select your preferred language. The app will automatically update to reflect your choice, and you can stop browsing in your selected language. By following these steps, you can easily change the language in the AliExpress app to suit your preferences. Enjoy your shopping experience.